this is Braven here, about to do a 2012 bike check. Alright, so I'll start up here in the front. Got my brand new Shadow Conspiracy Voltus bars. They're really nice. And then some Shadow Conspiracy grips that came with the bars. They're not the best, but they do good. And then I got my premium sub V10 stem, brand new too. Just got it like 2 days ago, and I love it. And then we got, it's an FSA headset, but my other cap broke, so I had to put a salt one on there. So, yeah, and I got a couple FSA spacers in there, as you can see. And then the forks here, they're just salt forks. The only forks I have that are not bent or broken. The last pair I broke the star nut in. It kind of sucks. And then here for the front tire, we got the, let's see, where's it at? We the People Feeling tire. It's really nice. It doesn't wear down fast. Then I got a Demolition dump chuck peg. Stock rims, they're Stolen Revolver. Well, the whole wheel is a Stolen Revolver. Alright, let's go to the frame. This frame I actually got from my friend Bozzy. It's a United Trinity. Got it real cheap, like 75 bucks. It's nice, 21-inch top tube. 14mm dropouts. And then I got my GoPro mount, which I'm actually using right now. And then I got premium 1948 cranks. Those are also brand new, just got them the other day. A Shadow Conspiracy bottom bracket. A Stolen Revolver chain wheel. Real nice. A KMC half-link chain. That came on my bike when I first bought it. And then got a Odyssey seat. It's really soft. It's got a little tear in it down here though. And then an integrated seat clamp, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about another one. And I like it. Odyssey JCPC's black and white mix. They're really nice. They do hurt my shins though. Got a big bruise from them that I just got the other day actually. And then in the back, let's see. I actually just got this from my brother. This the Primo Remix wheel, hub and spokes. It's missing a few in here somewhere, right there and up there. And then you got a Shadow Conspiracy little one peg. That's really nice. And then a We the People gripping tire in the back. So, yeah, that's about it on here. And then there's a few clips of me riding.